Welcome to our session of Chapter 5 Understanding Elementary Shapes. Let's go ahead with this. In our exercise 5.4, what is the measure of right angle and a straight angle? Right angle is always of 90 degree and straight angle is of 180 degree. In your question number 2, there is a question about the measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. That's true. Similarly, measure of obtuse angle is less than 90. This is not true because obtuse angle is always greater than 90. So it is false. Measure of reflex angle is greater than 180. That's true. And one complete revolution is equal to 360 degree. That is also true. And measure of angle A, if it is 53 and measure of angle B is 35, then measure of angle A is greater than measure of angle B. This is also true from the given values. Moving to next question, write down the measures of some acute angles like 25, 63 and 72 degrees, and some obtuse angles are 105, 120 and 135. They are obtuse angles. This question number 4, there are the angles given using the protractor and you can write down the measures. You can measure the angles and you can write down A part which is 45 degree, similarly 125 degree. You can go ahead and measure it. Moving to next question number 5, which angle has a large measure? First estimate and then measure the angle A. Angle A, if you measure it using your D, it will be 40 degree and B angle is of 60 degree. Moving to question number 6, from these two angles which has a large measure, estimate then confirm in measuring the solution. It is also equally the same, you can measure it. Similarly, in fill in the blanks question, angle whose measure is less than that of right angle is acute angle. Whose angle whose measure is greater than right angle is obtuse angle. Angle whose measure is the sum of measure of two right angles is straight angle. When the sum of measure of two angles is that of right angle, each one of them is acute, and sum of the measure of two angles that of a straight angle is one of them is acute and other should be obtuse. Moving to question number 8, find the measure of the angles in the each figure. So in this you can using your protractor you can measure the actual value and then write it. Question number 9 is find the angle measure between the hands of the clock of each figure. See, in 9 o'clock it is an angle of 90 degree, at 1 o'clock it is an angle of 30 degree, and angle between hour hand and the minute hand at 6 p.m. is 180 degree. Then question number 10, we can leave that question. Question number 11 is figure is given to us. We have to measure the angle and then we have to classify which type of angle is it. That is angle AOB then is 40 degree, acute angle AOC 125 degree. You can use your D to measure it. You can afterwards you can write the type which is greater than 90 is obtuse angle, which is lesser than 90 is acute angle, and if the angle comes out to be 180 degree, that is called as